Artificial intelligence, sustainability. Two words that we hear on a daily basis. It made me realize that we are currently standing at the crossroad of two monumental trends, both essential to the advancement of humankind, yet every step we make in one direction could potentially disrupt the other. Artificial intelligence, often known as the cornerstone for the fourth industrial revolution, like the steam engine, the electricity, the semiconductor. AI is not the end product of the revolution, but the technology that will enable new industries to flourish. Using AI as a tool will allow us to perform beyond our human capabilities, like predicting climate patterns to optimizing energy use and advancing medical science. Nevertheless, in the famous advice of Uncle Ben to the young Peter Parker, with great power comes great responsibilities. The development and the deployment of AI will come with significant environmental costs. Data centers, which are the backbones of AI infrastructure, consume enormous amount of electricity to run the algorithms, not only to operate the hardware like the servers and switches, but to cool them down as well. In recent years, the term gigawatt AI data centers is becoming more common, and to put it in perspective, 1 gigawatt is the power that can be generated by one nuclear reactor. Or you put it another way, the Hoover Dam's Hoover power plant is capable to generate just above 2 gigawatt, which is just enough to power 2 gigawatt data centers. Other than the operations of the data centers, the production and the disposal of the hardware the AI system relies on, like the racks, the plastics, the wrapping, can all lead to substantial environmental impacts. If you are not careful, and I assure you, if you are not careful, our quest for digital advancement might come at the expense of our planet. So we have to understand that advancing AI and protecting the environment are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they can and should be mutually reinforcing. Imagine a future where AI helps us to build sustainable practices, where machine learning algorithms optimize energy efficiencies, reduce waste, and enhance our ability to manage the resources better. And AI could always continuously learn as the technology progresses. Picture AI-powered solution for reducing carbon footprint, like for example, reducing traffic, designing eco-friendly technologies, new types of materials that can come, and even predicting environmental changes before they become crises. So while we journey forward, we must adopt sustainable AI. Such development and deploying of AI technologies in ways that minimize the environmental impact is very essential. This includes investing in energy-efficient computing, like adoption of optical interconnects in place of copper, or even the use of liquid cooling systems instead of the traditional air cool, or utilizing renewable energy sources, changing the design approaches for the next generation of data centers using very small form factor connectors like the SN, and implementing a robust recycling program for ICT waste. It is also imperative that environmental scientists, AI researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders must come together to create framework and standards that guide the responsible development and the use of AI. A very good example in 2023, the Green Digital ICT Action initiated by the ITU during the COP28 in Dubai. Also, transparency, accountability, and ethical consideration should be taken to the forefront of AI research and application. So where do we go from here? We must strike a balance between leveraging the transformative potential of AI while committing to sustainability. This is not a matter of choosing one over the other. It is mutually cohesive. The vision that we have for the future must have both in mind. We have the tools and the knowledge to do both, but it requires foresight, innovation, and a shared commitment and our responsibility to our planet and to our future generation.